Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You are now tuning in to Chase Way YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members and let them know Chase Way is popping right now. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Y'all been making some money today. Y'all been DMing me on Instagram, showing me y'all portfolio. I'm very happy and very glad to see that y'all making money off of doing y'all homework, paying attention, watching the videos and stuff. Thank y'all for truly supporting me. Thank y'all. But in today's video, we are going to talk about how do you back out and get some of your profits. What do you need to go about? So we're about to go over my stocks and showing you how I'm calculating, and just give y'all an insight how my portfolio is doing. Put y'all on the screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So overall, we are up $204 today, with a total gain of $355.35. Only have $653.17 invested. I sold Active and Whitening Petroleum simply because it was overvalued at the time. I left some money on the table with the Whitening Petroleum, but I'm gonna tell you the reasons why. So as we go to stock charts, let's go to stock chart, and the symbol for Whitening Petroleum is WILL. Now right now you can see it closed at $3.48, and the 200 movement day average is $4.41. But you gotta keep in mind the 50-day average is gonna be 87 cents, so it's expected for it to drop. Now, the reason why I'm saying it's expected to drop, as you can tell, if you look at the RSI, this one thing that I forgot to start keeping y'all up on. So the RSI meaning, as you see that one point right there, it was up. And then when you come right here, the stock, it was down. But as through time, it tried to go up, it stayed down, then it went up, and then it went sideways. And now where it's at is up. And if you look right here, the 200 moving day average is going to be $4.41. But in the next 50 days, it's going to drop again. So this means right here, it's oversold. It's oversold. It hit its average and it's oversold. So it's either you can calculate your profit and on an 80% discount and keep the rest of your money in, or sell everything, which I sold everything. I should have waited until the stock market was closed, but I didn't. So I'm about to show y'all what I mean by all of that. So let's take Chesapeake right now. I got $30 invested with $130 with the total gain, and I only own 2 shares. That's how much Chesapeake been growing. The symbol is CHK. So CHK. Now, as you look, it's going to drop again in the next 50 days, but the long term it's going to be $139.19. But you got to remember, this is all on an 80% discount. But let's just keep in mind that it haven't peaked yet, and it only started at the bottom, but it's going sideways and now it's peaked. So that means I can either wait or I can sell. But right now, from the Chris Johnson course, and I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below so y'all can understand what I mean by this, because he sells something about his stock gems, and I'll be watching it, and that's how I learned so much. Right now it's in stage 1. It's in stage 1 and stage 2 and stage 3. It's not a good time, but if you already got money and you made money already, it's time to take some money out. So this is what I'm going to do. So in cash out, you see I have only $30 invested, but I have a total game of $130. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take $130, multiply by 0.8, and it's $104. So that means I'm going to sell $104, and that's me calculating on my profits. So I'm keeping the rest in and I'm not selling it. Well, I guess I just gotta wait. I gotta wait till the market open back up. Let's see if we can try it again. 104, sell. Let's see. Schedule. So we gotta wait. So we're gonna wait. Let's see what hurts. We are up 20. We only got $20 invested with $48.43. I have 12.375 shares on, and that's, look at this, HTZ. HTZ. So right now, the daily it closed at $5.53. The 50-day moving average is $3.74, but the 200 moving day average is $11.61. So as you can tell, it stayed over the average for a few days. Then it dipped down, and it was time to buy right here. And it traded sideways. It went down some more. Now it's going up. So now it's time just to hold until it go over that line right there, that dark line, the moving average, or the average. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. So we're gonna keep our money there. NCL, OVV. They got a different name. It closed at $11.90. The 50-day moving average is $5.79, and the 200 moving day average is $14.98. It is oversold right now, so this would be a good time. Let's see if they're gonna allow me to sell this. 45, 48. 45, 48 times 0.8, 36, 38. Minus 36.38. Let's see if it allowed me to sell some things. And if it don't sell, then we got a problem. Did it take? It didn't take. I guess we're gonna have to probably try this again tomorrow. So let's check Ali Financial. Let's check Ali Financial. No, this, I think this was a long-term stock, ALY. So it just hit the average, and it's close. So it's a good time to sell 80% of my profit. So it's 1959. So we're gonna do 19.59 times 0.8, which would be 1567. Sell 1567. Connection error. Let's see. I wonder if they don't do cents. Let's see. Oh, they don't do cents. So let's try this. 130. No, so it was 104. Let's sell 104. Let's see if they allow this. So allow me to sell some, but not all. But it's okay. Qualcomm, let's check Qualcomm. C Q COM. It haven't peaked. Well, it just peaked. It's just over slightly. So I'm gonna continue to hold Qualcomm right now. JP Morgan. This is a long-term investing. I only have a little bit of money. JPM. It just ran over the average, so we're gonna hold it for a little bit longer. Centus, CTAS. Okay, it's oversold. It's time to sell. It's time to sell 1472 times 0.8, 11. You're gonna do 1170. Probably only, they don't want me to take them big gains out. Never seen that happen before. Let's see what happens if we sell all. Oh, show caution when buying and selling the same stock on the same day. Also called day trading. You can complete only 2 more day trades before Tuesday. I didn't know y'all limit me like that, Cash Out. If y'all limit me like that, it's time to probably move some stocks over here. Can't be limiting me like that. But it's probably cutting down because they don't even want to put out that much money out like that. So we selling that. Let's check Sally's Beauty. SBH. It's oversold. It's gonna dip again. So it's time to sell Sally's Beauty. So I need to figure out what's the next 200. What's the next 200 days? When's the next 200 days? 200 days from now. That's what I need. 200 days from today is December 25th. let's put in our calendar. I just recently figured out I can start doing this, so y'all can start doing this. This would be a good time to start back and reinvesting into the stock market. So I'm going to my 200 moving day average is November 7th. But what's going to happen, I'm going to go to September 3rd and buy Sally Beauty, whitening petroleum, Centus, and this is gonna be an all-day event. September 3rd. September 3rd is when I'm going to go back and look at some other stocks. So we sold Sally's Beauty, Excellence. Let's check out Excellence. XL. XL. Okay, gonna keep that. Synchrony. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Synchrony. I think this was another long term. Apple is about to dip, which is crazy. AAPL. Apple is about to dip again, but I'm gonna wait to where it's over the market now, and it's oversold. So maybe it'd be a good time just to go on and get up out of it. And we're gonna put Apple back on our calendar list. It's almost in a sense where it's short term. So I guess I made my trades for today. So I'm going to go back and probably tomorrow we're going to do some more. We're going to sell some more things. But yeah, that's what y'all can do. I think since they allow me to do that, I think it's probably time to transition to Robinhood. I don't really like how Cash Out limited me right now. So for everybody that's on Cash Out, it might be a good time to make that transition to go ahead and switch to Robinhood. Because if it don't allow you to take your profits out, and I guess that's what's the complications that people was having problems with Cash Out. But the bad thing about that is, if you go to Robinhood and if you need some money today, it don't allow you to get money today. So that's the scary part. So you got to keep that in mind. If you make certain trades today, it don't allow you to take a certain amount of money out. That's gonna be tricky. I guess I'm just gonna have to keep both then. I'm gonna have to keep both. Yeah, that's tricky. That's tricky, driver squad. That's tricky. But keep in mind, we don't have to totally get rid of Cash Out, but it's time to not put your eggs in all in one basket, and that's what that means. Don't keep your eggs all in one basket. Alright? Don't keep your eggs in all in one basket. If you don't have the Robinhood out and you new, I'm gonna have my link down below. You click that link, start up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. And yeah, it's time to start putting our money elsewhere if Cash Out not gonna allow us to get our funds immediately when we make profit. So yeah, I guess I just have to wait in the morning to sell Chesapeake, and that's what it is. It's just what it is. But y'all have a great day. Chase ways out. I'm about to start driving and start my day. This video will be out on time. I'm gonna be editing at the stores, and I'm gonna make sure this is up for y'all. So y'all have a great day. Chase ways out. Peace.